This is the composition that I want to work on for the next couple of days with you. That's painting with a paper towel. This is just placing. These white lilacs are very, very important in the composition. And their placement is really important, and it's important early on. Going to do some shaping, the same kind of shaping with negative space on this side. I'm going to start down the highlight. I'm going to start down this axis. I'm squinting. I love to do this wet into wet. So even though it's not exciting painting, it's important painting, because what's in the shadow is just as important as what's in the light, and it sets up the story in the light. Now, so the difference between the light and the dark here is less. The contrast in my center of interest is more. You see, this is where the form starts to turn back in. Highlights are on turning forms, turning planes. White and cad pale, just a little. Okay, highlight on the turning plane. So I'm pretty happy with the painting right now. I will continue to study it in the studio, upside down, right side up, and I won't varnish until I'm very, very happy with that. But it's time to sign the painting now.